Yeah, so imagine we want our output to look like this. The answer in meters is 3000. Instead of just printing out this, how will you do that? So to save time, I would copy our implementation here as our function implementation, and then we'll have it here. And so we're returning M. So all we need to do is just to concatenate. So we merge. So instead of returning M, we'll just say return this. So let's take it back. So I would say return, and then remember we are returning M is an integer. So, and remember you cannot concatenate a string with an integer, so we would have to use the str function, and then so this would convert. So this str function, the function would convert our M, which is an integer, convert it into string, so that we're able to concatenate this to this one. And then if I call the function, so let's do this one. So if I call the function here, and if I run it, you can see it tells me the answer in meters is 3000. And then if I pass in another, because I want to reuse that same function, let's pass in 330 meters, and then it tells me the answer in meters is 30. So you can reuse that function. So imagine if we have our function takes in two values. Function that takes two values. So let's define the function as a def add two numbers. That's the name of the function. Add two numbers. It's number one, and number two. So, and then if you have the function, that's a function. So there's an error here. So if I run this, you can see that's 3. So I have a function, add two numbers, so add two numbers, and then that takes in two numbers, the first and the second, and then it does the addition here. The answer is assigned to answer. Addition of this and to this is assigned to answer, and then you have answer being returned. And then this is where we are calling the function. We'll call the function, and then we'll pass in the two numbers we would like to add. We'd like to add 1, so 1 gets into num1. We also have 2 gets into num2, and then it becomes num1 plus num2. So that means you're doing 1 plus 2, and then you do the addition, and then the addition is assigned to answer, and then you return the answer, and so that will give 3. This is I hope this is clear. And so if we also want to make this let's say readable, so we can say we can also concatenate here the answer is, so remember we want to concatenate, so that means we have to convert answer from integer to string. And then if I run this, say keyword, so keyword, I missed the close bracket, then that gives the answer is 3. So you can also try to implement for subtraction, create a function that can help you subtract one number from the other. So here it becomes subtract two numbers. Yeah, so thank you very much.